fire!
Pratt & Whitney is leading the Industry 4.0 revolution with model-based definition, a single source of truth that travels to and from its suppliers through the digital thread. CCAT has spent the last 10 years proving out MBD technologies. That is why Pratt & Whitney is encouraging manufacturers to team up with them in their new digital thread lab.
This is the Connecticut Center for Advanced Technology's Digital Thread Lab. This is where we can train the next generation of aerospace manufacturers in new digital processes. We offer end-to-end training and implementation. So you can come to our Digital Thread Lab, take the training, learn the skills, and then move over to our Advanced Technology Center, and they can actually guide you in the implementation of these digital thread technologies. Those folks that are making decisions day in, day out in the organization can come in and actually learn what is digital thread, what is model-based definition. They say, wow, this is not as hard as I thought it was. It's not going to be as capital intensive as we thought it would be. In reality, it's really very small changes that are going to drastically impact their processes.
3,